welcome to our channel. Today we are going to do some chicken breast video, and right now we are in PG. So this is the chicken breast. Right now you can see we are going to cut it and all. So this is the easiest way we can do in PGs, and a lot of people are struggling to do, like, kind of we can't get a proper food from PG and all. So that's why we plan to make a video right here. Let's get started. Guys, here we are going to cut the chicken. So this one, cutting and all up to your wish, however you want you can cut like that. So we are cutting from the middle. Today we are planning to make a diet chicken and all, okay? So less masala, less oil, everything will be there. We'll show on the video and all. So please see this. After this we'll wash it, okay? We'll wash it properly and only we'll start cooking and all. So right now we are just cutting it. You can see this properly, right? Yeah, so we are cut it into 2 pieces. We are planned to make it like 4 pieces. So that may be much more better. Guys, here we are cutting the chicken right now. So as per your wish you can cut it. So we are making into 4 pieces because for making cooking and all it will be much difficult. So we are cutting into 4 pieces. So right now we have bought like 100 gram of chicken, okay? So I'll explain that how much protein, calories and all on the video. I will tell you all the details. We wash the chicken right now, so let's go through the ingredients. With the ingredient, guys. So this is the ingredient. First thing is chili powder. Let's take it. We are using Eastern and turmeric and pepper powder and coriander, and last one is the salt, guys. So this all the ingredients what we require to make a breast chicken. It's a diet way only, don't worry guys. We are using very less of this masalas and all. So it's a easy way to do in PG and all. Let's get started how to make it. So here we take the chili powder. So guys, we are going to add little bit of chili powder. So as per your wish, if you want to add more you can add. Next is turmeric. So let we cut it and let's add it. So add little bit of turmeric. If any bacteria something is there, it's very much useful. So add little bit of turmeric. So next is coriander, and this one also very little bit only, just add it. So once you added that, let's take the pepper powder and add. And the final one is salt. So salt should be very less only. It's up to you. If you want to add a little more extra you can add, okay? So try to add very less of salt and all. So right now we are showing for weight loss and for the bodybuilding and all. So let's get mixed it properly. So mix it well. So once you mixed it, it will be like this word, guys. So let's start with the cooking. Here we are going to cook. So let's on the gas. It's a mini gas that we can use in PG and all. So this one we have taken. So it will be easy, guys. You can use in a single room and all better. So right now we are showing how we can survive in PG and all. So a lot of people will be struggling because of the food and all. So that's why so easily we can make. It's just 80 rupees chicken with 35 gram of protein, okay? So it's nearly like 110 gram of chicken is there, okay? So let's add the oil right now. So very less oil, let's drop it. Come on, let's get started. Yeah. I used a normal oil only. If you want to add like olive oil and all, please do use olive oil and all. So let's add the chicken right now. So it's a very less oil. So if you have a non-stick and all, better use non-stick. So without oil we can make it and all. So one more thing guys, we can cook it like 10 to 15 minutes max is enough to make this chicken breast and all. So easy, very easily we can cook it and all. In this you feel little bit reddish and all, little bit chili powder is added. It's as per your taste and all. If you want to reduce the chili powder also, you can reduce. All up to you guys. Okay. So guys, 5 minutes is over. Let's rotate to the other side. It's very easy. I think so in 5 or 10 minutes we can cook as fast and all. Better make it for 15 minutes to overall get a proper cook and all. So we'll close it for again 5 minutes and wait for it. Guys, we are going to check the, like 10 minutes is over right now. So let's rotate it to the other side. So it's properly fried and all. See guys, only 10 minutes is required. But always cook, we can't say that inner also is properly boiled and all. So better check properly. At least I think so 15 minutes is required to get a proper fry and all. So see the big pieces and all will not get that much fry and all. You can see this, right? See it's as good only. So no much oil, no much masala. So better way and bit tasty way also. We'll wait for again like 5 minutes to make a proper result, okay? Let's wait for again 5 minutes. So total will take 15 minutes time. Guys, here let's go with the final look. So please see this how it is. It's like very nice and it's completely fried. Only 15 minutes guys. So 15 minutes only taken to make this fry as this well. So it's looking great, but let's see the final taste also and let you know guys. So we will serve it to the other plate and all. So if you want to add some lime and all, please add some lime so the chicken will be much more softer. Okay, let's serve it. Final serving to the plate. So let's serve it to the plate. See this fried completely guys. You can see the so here we serve it. So this is the final result when you are completed. So you'll get, like I said you, right, 30 gram of protein and all. So easily we can prepare in 15 minutes. So everyone must try this. It's good and taste. So we have tried it. It was good only. So please try it, guys. So see you on the